Hi, welcome to Lucid Study, Education in Your Pocket. Lucid Study is highly premium, affordable online educational platform. Lucid Study is the first and the only educational app in India which provides the entire curriculum, wherein it not only just teaches subjects, it also provides languages as well, wherein the student will be able to learn subjects like mathematics, science, social studies, and languages like Hindi and English. Well, the list does not end over here. Lucid Study also offers IIT and NEET Foundation as well, wherein the student will be able to learn subjects like maths, physics, chemistry, and biology. As I already told you, the list does not end over here. Lucid Study also provides coding classes and communication skills as well, which will definitely be an asset for the student's future. Now let me introduce to the founder, MD and CEO of Lucid Study Private Limited, Mr. S.V. Narayana. A highly qualified educationalist experience of over 3 decades. His vision was always to provide accessible and affordable education to the student. And that's what he had tried to put it into his brainchild, Lucid Study as well. Now let's try to have a comparison of Lucid Study with the other major market players. If you look at the table over here, these are the features that are being offered to the students by various players, including Lucid Study. But it is clearly evident that Lucid Study stands apart. And it's not only just about the features that are being provided. Even if you look at the price at which those features are being provided, Lucid Study again stands apart, and that's what makes Lucid Study special. And now comes the most important question. Why Lucid Study? We do agree and accept one important fact that education is the basic need of 21st century. Lucid Study provides high quality education at an affordable price so that it is accessible to each and every student, so that the country's future is bright. That's why we believe that Lucid Study has the potential to change the future of the students' learning process.